have come to the end of this conference.
These past few days have been intense, sometimes stressful, but also really memorable. Seeing how everything come together, from debates to friendship, honestly made all the effort worth it. As part of the organizing team, I just want to say thank you.
It has been an honor to serve as your Deputy Secretary General at LTN MUN 2026. Each of you played a part in making this conference meaningful. So thank you.
It was great. It was a lot of fun and a lot of responsibility as well. It was like a sandbox game where everyone fights each other.
It was amazing to watch the progress that the delegates had throughout the committee sessions.
Wow. This delegate is simply wow.
The best delegate award goes to the Ottoman Empire!
Moving on, we're now inviting the chairpersons of the Scotus Committee to...
The shout out goes to Attorney Juan on behalf of the United States.
I believe that we had the best committee. We will have 2 shout-outs, 1 honorable mention, 1 outstanding, and 1 best delegate award. This delegate was incredible in both speeches and directives. I genuinely didn't know what feedback I could give them.
The best delegate award
Goes to Ion Rațiu!
The second shout-out goes to Germany.
The honorable mention goes to Japan.
The best delegate award goes to South Africa.
Pentru mine, Senatul României mi se pare un concept absolut unic și o experiență extrem de dinamică. Vreau să chem pe scenă pe domnul senator Robert Cazanciuc. Acest premiu se duce către Lavinia Neacșu, care a reprezentat senatorul Răzvan Angel. Pentru cel mai bun senator al Senatului României de la această ediție a LTN MUN, vreau să-l invit pe scenă pe Irimia Călin Ștefan, care a reprezentat senatorul Ninel Peia.
This award was very deserved. This delegate honestly left me speechless.
The best delegate award goes to India!
We now declare the second edition of LTN officially closed!